Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's look is going to be a tutorial on this eye. I wasn't sure what to film, you guys. Sometimes I get a little discouraged, I guess is the word, and I don't know what to film. But since Thanksgiving is like 2 weeks away, I knew that I wanted to film something that was going to be sultry and smoky and very Thanksgiving appropriate. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to create a sunset makeup look. The other day I was watching the sunset from my window and I was like, ding, that's what I'm going to do. So this is the look that I created for you guys. I used both of the Jaclyn Hill palettes, which I know is palettes that tons of you actually have, which is why I love to use them. I'm sorry if it's repetitive, but I know that you guys enjoy it when I use them because, like I said, tons of you have these palettes and it's easy for you to recreate these looks. So this eye look, as complicated as it may look, it's actually really easy. It's just a lot of blending and packing on the product, but it's pretty simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's Makeup Monday look. Yeah, make sure you are relaxed, sitting back, have your cozy socks, your little pantuflas, your sweatpants, whatever it is, your cafecito. Cheers to you guys. I don't have a coffee today. And yeah, let's get started with today's Makeup Monday tutorial. To start off, I'm going to apply my base. You guys already know, P.Louise. This has just been the best ever eye primer I've ever tried, and I am running low, so I definitely need to buy me another one. I'm just going to use this brush. This is a EcoTools brush, and you want to be pretty generous with the amount of eye primer that you apply. That way you get a good grip to your eyeshadows. Today I am mainly going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette. I'm going to try and stay with just this palette and not use the second one, but we might dig into it. I'm not sure. So I'm going to start off with the yellow shade, which is this mustard one. Honestly, you guys, I can never memorize any of the names of the palettes, but I mean, I'm sure you guys know what I am talking about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a clean brush like this. We're going to dip into the color, and I'm just going to pat it. That way we don't get any streakiness. Pat, pat, pat. I think I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit closer. Zoom you in so we can see the detail work. Okay, that's much better. So again, we're just patting the colors in. I'm gonna get my mirror a little more close up. And as you can see, this color has really pretty payoff. And you just want to create the shape that you're going to go with, either winged out, rounded, or whatever. And I do like to use a little powder puff to lift up the lid so I can see where I'm placing the color without leaving any like fingerprints on my skin, since I already have my foundation down. With that same brush, I am just building up the intensity of this color. And as you can see, I'm laying it flat down. I actually do want a tad bit more yellow in the look, so I am going to go into the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette too. Ooh, I almost dropped that. And I'm going to take the shade No Joke. I love that this palette has the names written on it because it's so much easier. And I'm just going to lay that yellow on top of the marigold color that we already have. You don't have to do this step, but I really wanted a little more yellow in here versus this like mustardy shade. The shade is so gorgeous, and we're just going to merge those colors together. And honestly, like the blending, it all depends on how intense you want your eyeshadow to look. So if you don't want it to be too crazy loud, then, you know, stop and stop maybe about here because this color is not crazy loud yet to me. But if you want this to pop, then definitely keep going. I'm actually just going to mix both of the colors because I really like the color combination that I'm getting out of this. So I'm just mixing it, and I am bringing it out all the way out here because I do want this to be a blown out makeup look. I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette 1, and I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here, the second one, because it's a tad bit more warm. And I'm going to take a little bit and apply that to the brow bone. I am planning to keep this look a little bit more on the matte side. So that's why I wanted to go in with a shimmery brow bone color. Okay, obviously I'm going to blend that out, but this shimmer shade is stunning. And then I am going to take a clean brush. This is one of my favorite brushes to clean like the eye. This is the Morphe M504. I'm going to make sure that I don't have any products on my brush. And just very gently, I am going to go over those shades so they can just become one, if you will. So it doesn't look so harsh. So it doesn't look so harsh on the brow bone. Just very gently. I don't have any product on this brush. Like I said, it's just a clean brush. And as you can see, like the brow bone is still popping, but it doesn't look as intense because we just tone it down a little bit. Okay, I couldn't decide which color I wanted to go with as far as like the red burgundy. She has Crazy in the second palette, which is this one. This one's definitely like a burgundy purple, but she also has like a red tone one in this palette. So I'm gonna go in with this Crazy shade first, and then if I'm not feeling it, then we can switch it out. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab a Pro blending brush by the brand Beauty Junkies. This one, as you can see, is a little bit smaller. It's short, it's a little bit tapered, it's not as fluffy. This is really going to concentrate the product into the crease, which is exactly what we want. And I'm going to go ahead and, oh yeah, that's pretty. I think this is the color that I was looking for. I'm going to go ahead and start blending that into the crease. Okay, this is looking a little purpley, so I am going to take a little bit of this shade right here. I am going to be mixing them both because I want this to be a little more red and not so purple. So mixing Crazy and that shade right there. And again, you just want to go back and forth as many times as you personally feel comfortable with until you get the desired intensity of eyeshadow. So now I'm just going to softly blend the edges. The only reason why I'm holding this brush like this is because the handle feels super wobbly, like it's going to break. But I typically like to hold the brushes at the very edge just to get a more soft effect, I guess. I'm going to take a brown shade just so we can really make the eyeshadow pop. You can use a brow gel or a eyeliner. I'm going to use this one that I have by Benefits. This is a like little wax thing. I don't know, but I'm just going to grab the brown color off of here, which is that one. And because this brush is nice and flat, oh, I just pinched my finger. I'm just going to pat that on the eyelid. And this is really going to make sure that the color that we're going to lay down, which is the same color that we have all over the crease, that it's really like adhering, you know. Okay, so we have that. I'm just going to mix all the colors that we've already been mixing. Or the two colors, I guess. I make it sound like I'm mixing so many. And I'm just gonna pat that all over the lid. So again, it's the same color that we are using in the crease, but this is just going to look a little deeper because it's flat. I'm going to take a black gel eyeliner and throw that into the waterline. And I'm going to take a brush and I'm just going to smudge the black eyeliner. I know it looks like I'm being super harsh on my eyes, but I promise, like I'm gently tugging them. Okay, so now we're going to go back and reapply the same colors on the lower lash line, just repeating the same steps. I love how simple, but like bomb this look is. Perfect for Thanksgiving, you guys. Even if you're just going to be Thanksgiving, even if you're going to do Thanksgiving at your house, just like you and your family, still rock this look, please, because trust me, you are definitely going to be taking pictures. Like, hello, who doesn't take pictures? And you want to remember how bomb you looked on this day, 2020. I'm going to draw an eyeliner without a wing. So for my lashes, I'm going to try these out. I got these from, I believe it's one of my subscribers. This is the brand's Beauty Couture, and she is located in Salt Lake City, which is right where I live. These are the lashes that I'm going with today. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice it came with that. So if you guys want to follow her Instagram, this is her Instagram. Her packaging is super cute. And the style of these are Bali. They are super cute, pretty, like a little bit wispy, and it comes with a pinky little wand. How adorable is this? Just to like fluff up the lashes. So we're gonna go ahead and pop these on. For the lips, I lined them with this NYX lip liner in the shade brown, yeah. And I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Never Nude. And it is a matte lipstick. Formula isn't the best. It's a little dry, but I like the color. And here is the final look. What do you guys think of this blown out sunset smoky eye? I think this is totally perfect for Thanksgiving. Like the cranberry and like the orange, the yellow, like these are just Thanksgiving colors to me. You have the smoky eyes going on, the matte lips, and just the skin overall. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video for Makeup Monday. Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and let me know if you guys are going to recreate this look. And if you do, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. You can send me your pictures to my Instagram, which is just right here. I'm going to leave my little Instagram handle, and yeah, I'll repost you and show you some love. Thank you guys so much for being here. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.